Hey everyone, as you see here, this is this condition this iPhone 7 is in. Needs a battery replacement and a screen replacement, as you see here. Cracks right here, and that battery health is at 67%, not good. So in a second, we're actually gonna do some repairs. As you see here, the battery's right there on the screen, where we went ahead and took off the brackets. And we're gonna change it into a battery that has 100% battery health. So let's do this. Now that we finished the whole process, as you see here, brand new battery, the brand new screen, we're gonna turn it on. There it is, back to life. Clean that. You see there, it's booting up. There we are, at the home screen already. As you see here, our battery capacity is 100% now. And the home button works, everything is working. So yeah, I just need to put the waterproof seal in there and then close it all up and I'll be all good. Thanks for watching.